Hello, my name is Ruthik Madane. I am from Sangli, Maharashtra. I have completed my BTech in Computer Science from Maharashtra Engineering College. After the graduation, like a manufacturer, I was looking for the right guidance and the opportunity to step into the IT industry. I got successfully placed at CANTIK Technology Private Limited in Pune with the full support and guidance of Evision Technoserve. This job opportunity in Pune is turning point in my professional journey. My experience and my heartfelt gratitude joining Evision Technoserve was the best decision of my career. Before coming here, I had a doubt and confusion about the IT sector, but the Evision cleared my all the doubt and gave me clear roadmap to the job. And technical training is very practical, job focused, and covered essential topics like Windows OS, networking basic, desktop troubleshooting, IT ticketing tools, and real-time handling issues, ITIL sessions, and CCNA. The trainers are friendly and expert in their domain and always ready to clear the doubts. With full of heart of happiness, I want to say that thank you for every person at the Evision Technoserve, trainers, HR, coordinators, and support and staffs who helped me to transform into IT professional.